y'all, it's All of Destiny. We're about to do my hair today because this is how we starting. I'll get into it. A little transformation needs to take place right about now. Today's video is sponsored by UNice. UNice. It's our first time working with UNice, so I'm excited. And we're about to do a V Part Wig. Never did a V Part Wig before. Trying it out together for the first time. Oh, we got. See what we got. First of all, I love the pink. It goes with the theme of the channel over here. Oh, this is her. This is her. Oh, she's curly. She's curly and cute. I'm trying to decide now if I'm about to wear her straight out of the box. Sometimes with curly hair, I love a good wash. She cute. New wig, new hair me, please. So we have the InvisiBlend V Part Wig in the length 20 inches. And this is the texture with the finger coil ends. So they have upgraded the V Part wigs, so it has the upgraded V line, which is flatter and thinner than before for an even more seamless natural blend. And then they now also have the scalp release with comb. They replaced the 2 clips with combs for a more comfortable fit. So now there's no more scalp pain. UNice likes to listen to the customers. So since the customer said that the clips kind of hurt the scalp, they replaced it, and the combs provide a more secure and snug hold. So it's no more sliding as well, because y'all know we don't even want those problems at all. Cute hot pink bag in here that says UNice as well. So we have the edge brush on this side, comb on that side, as well as the girl, we got a little cap for it. Okay, UNice. We have the headband. Oh, they sent extras. We have 2 packs of the wig caps. Let's try her on. Snatch it out of my gym pony. Ooh, she dirty. So this is her. I'm about to attempt to look as good as she look right now, because this, yeah. I'm gonna take some of my dry shampoo. If you want to wash your hair, wash it. I don't always put clean hair underneath the wig. After we section that out, now we're going to put my hair into a low ponytail. Plait this section. One side complete. I think where I maybe should have done braids at would be at this anchor spot. I don't know, we're gonna see one. I never wore a, not my press on popped off. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna pin it over here, hairpin, and pin it over here. Boom, nice, quick and easy. If you wanna do braids, do braids. If you wanna be quick, go for that. Let's see what we got. So we're going to cut right here. It's like a little string right there. So my plan is we're going to secure this clip, we want to secure this clip, and then we have 2 combs to tuck. But we also have this elastic band in the back, as well as the drawstring to really help us secure this. I'm gonna take the comb, pull, and tuck that under my hair. Before we make it snug in the back, I want to keep working with the front. And I'm doing this with y'all the first time. I've never done a V-part wig before. We walking through this together on camera. If I just let it sit naturally, we got it sitting right here. So now that means I left out the perfect amount. And with these already unclipped, I'm going to tuck them under my hair. You know it's snug when you hear it snap, listen. Then take the comb and slide that down. And this is probably where I should do a braid at to make that really snug. And then these combs that are over here, I'm going to tuck those underneath where we did the ponytails. Now I know you're wondering, like, okay, but is that secure? In the back, we have a drawstring, so I'm gonna pull that. Ooh! Then I'm gonna pull this tab to make her even more snug. I'll take the excess right there underneath to hide it, and that just secured her even more. Oh, this is so quick and easy. Wait, cause I just did that so fast. No, cause these curls, oh my god. Wait a minute. Oh, that's too easy. Did I miss a step? Cause why is it that easy? I'll take it. Gonna do an easy middle part with this. We gotta hide that in the back, but then also lay this part too. My lot of body foaming mousse, because lot of body gives you a lot of body. I used to say that all the time on my channel. Just a little bit in the front to match the length of where my hair is right there. To make it blend, the goal is to really get my hair to intertwine with those pieces. Just a little bit of shaping to the front. I'm not a professional, but we like a little cut. Oh wait. Even though we're wearing the middle part, I love to swing some of the hair over from that side and lay my own little edge that's right there. Then I'm gonna take the little band that they gave us. No, cause this I like this. I like this right here. Wait a minute. I'm gonna come like that, right? And I'm gonna come like this around the back. This will be me at the gym. Ooh. And then for those layers that we like in the front, you're just gonna like that, just a little bit, because you don't just want just your hair out being shorter. Yours might be longer than mine. And the quickest way to style curly hair when it's in a wig is to split it into 2 sections. If 2 sections is too much, do 4, but y'all know how I get down. We're gonna do 2. The transformation is happening. We're gonna take some of the gel. The hair before I start drying it, and you can't tell we did those ponytails underneath, so if you don't want to braid your hair, trust me, you don't have to. And here is a look at the curls, juicy, beautiful, and full. I'm going to take my Red by Kiss blow dryer, and I'm using the diffuser attachment that it came with, high setting, high heat, and I'm just going to diffuse the hair a little bit. So the time is currently 4:22. Love it so far. This looks good. And it was super quick. Like, trying something for the first time, I'm usually like, oh, can I do this? I heard V Part Wig. I was like, wait, I've never did that before. Because you haven't done something before, it definitely doesn't mean that you can't get it right. I'm gonna just chill and let it air dry. It's like 80-something degrees today. So stepping outside for a little bit will definitely help to further dry my hair. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it's giving. Time now is currently 6:45 and the hair is drying, and this is the hair fully dry and what she looks like. I love this look, so I'm definitely gonna be rocking it like this a lot. And a few more hairstyles. She looks good. I want to cut like right up in here so that it frames a bit more. It's not a lot. I'm gonna take this for a little bit of gloves. Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. I'm going to show you all 2 more hairstyles. I'm taking my Olaplex curl defining gel and I'm going to smooth that to the front portion. You want to just take a portion about the size in front of your ear, secure that in the back with a scrunchie, let down the rest of your hair and lay your edges, and this is how we got that super cute look that I love. And if you're going to the gym or if you're just in the mood for a cute updo, definitely grab your favorite claw clip and put your hair up just like that. Something about the way you just give me. Don't, cause I can't forget. Look, I try to switch it up. Like, I don't always want to just give middle part, leave it like that, boom, bam, done. So I pulled it back. Hold on, because my hair is just out right there doing whatever it want to do. Wait. It's kind of like wearing your clothes versus styling your clothes. So this is kind of like styling the hair. Like, I'm not just wearing it, if that makes sense. Kind of framing it to my face as opposed to how it looked when it was just straight down in the middle, which is still cute, but this just kind of gives a little bit more put together. You can see the earrings, polished type of look, if you will. And boom, just like that, a hairstyle is complete and it's giving new week, new hair. Y'all, I love having my hair done and from the comfort of my own home. Like, yeah, UNice, y'all did that. First impression, and I'm impressed. I like this a lot. What should we name her? Let me know. The curls are juicy, hair looks amazing, super easy install. You got a feel and a soul that I need in my life. And that concludes this episode of New Week, New Hair. Make sure y'all check back next week for another episode. Video questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. I'm feeling my hair. Those you all can get this exact same hairstyle, and I do have a special code, Destiny. All the additional details will be in the description box down below. And again, special thank you to UNice for sponsoring today's video, and I'll talk to you all in my next upload. Bye. So it's been a full 24 hours since I installed this V Part wig, so I've had the chance to really put it to the test. The hair is fully dry now. It's full, fluffy, and juicy. So here's a few close-up shots and texture of the hairline, and the blending looks very natural against my own hair. This was my first time trying a V Part wig. Y'all know I'm in my era of trying new things lately, and I'm impressed with how simple the installation process was. I literally have been wearing it all day, to the gym, to running my errands, and I didn't really have any discomfort. The clips feel very secure, but they're gentle on my scalp. I feel like that makes it a practical option for everyday wear. I also love how convenient it was. Like if your natural hair needs to be washed, or if you just want to switch up your look, installing this wig only takes a short amount of time. Overall, I'm highly satisfied. The wig is lightweight, voluminous, and it looks oh so luscious and oh so good. It's definitely an easy, natural looking choice for daily wear.